So tell me about your experience with dry shampoo in the past.
I typically use a lot of dry shampoo, but I do find that it leaves a white cast on my hair and that many of them have like a heavy fragrance. I also feel like it builds up on my hair. So I'm having to wash like with a detox shampoo a little more frequently.
AirWash is revolutionary because it has odor bind technology that eliminates odor on contact. And with AirWash, less is more, so you're not going to be able to experience that buildup that you're talking about. So I'm going to show you how to use AirWash. Make sure you shake well. Hold the bottle 4 to 6 inches away from the scalp for even distribution. Start with 1 spray first and increasing up to 3 per section as needed. This is a non-aerosol format. It may feel slightly damp, but it will not disturb your style. Massage it in and brush or style it as usual. I like to use it to extend my client's style after salon service. It helps their blowouts last longer. And how does your hair feel?
Oh my gosh, it's not oily at all. It feels fresh. It feels like I just washed it.
And there you have it. You get day 1 hair on contact with AirWash.